Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius air sign. This is March monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius? The Lovers, Two of Swords and Seven of Cups. Four of Wands, the Empress and Three of Swords. Under the deck, Wheel of Fortune. Aquarius, things are turning out into your favor. Some positive shift is coming in your life. Something positive is going to be happen in your future. Wheel of Fortune is turning into your favor. Okay. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Lovers, Two of Swords and Seven of Cups. You love your person. There is love. But there is no balance. Something is missing from your person's side. You are at some crossroads. In past you have to make some decision, but you are indecisive about the decision. Seven of Cups, you are in a lot of confusion state. Aquarius, you are in a lot of confusion. Indecisiveness in past was in total confusion, and present Four of Wands, the Empress and Three of Swords. You expect this happiness from your person, but it is not happening. You are literally heartbroken. But one thing is very good in this situation is you overcome this confusion and this trauma, and you will stand by your power. Yeah, you are very grounded now. You are very powerful now. You are taking your power back. You are in your total control. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. Yeah, because you are literally very heartbroken, then you transform this, then you enjoying yourself, investing energy on yourself and celebrating your life. Okay, Four of Wands, celebrations. And near future, Knight of Swords, Justice and Knight of Cups. Here two persons for some. One is new, another person could be past. But I think someone is coming back for second chances. Justice, Libra, marriage, commitment. But it's you. Empress to Justice, you stand by your power now. But someone is returning. Knight of Cups, this is very slow moving energy. But Knight of Swords, this is very rushing energy. Someone is rushing to talk with you. For some it could be new person, for some it could be past person. Depends on your situation. But someone is coming back. And this person has so much love for you, Knight of Cups energy. But they are coming back very slowly. This could be new, this could be old. Depends on your situation, but someone is coming back for second chances here. I think your person is coming back for second chances. It's up to you to give second chance or not. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Gemini or Libra. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then you will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So first we will see your person current feelings. Aquarius. Nine of Cups. They're wishing for reunion if you're in separation, because Eight of Pentacles. Here they really want to work on this relationship they're thinking about. And Ace of Swords, communication, truth, clarity is coming. They want to communicate with you, they want to express their true feelings. And Nine of Swords, they're thinking and missing a lot. Yeah, see how they are feeling, how they're currently thinking about you. They're missing you so much, especially when they are alone. They're missing their nights over you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Page of Pentacle, Knight of Wands, and Two of Swords. And under the deck, King of Cups. So they want to offer this King of Cup love to you, but still you person at some crossroads because they have to make some decision. Two of Swords energy. You also very indecisive in past, but not now. But your person in near future, they have to make some decision regarding this relationship. Maybe they are at some crossroads. But Knight of Wands, but they are very very passionate about you. I think knights always come and go. There is no stability in this connection. But here King of Cups, but they have so much love for you. And Page of Pentacles, apology, communication is coming. Definitely they want to communicate with you. Maybe they want to test the waters before coming towards you if you are in separation. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Ace of Wands, Queen of Swords. Under the deck, Ten of Pentacles. Yeah. Clarity and communication is coming. And the Ace of Wands, they are very passionate about you. They want passionate new beginnings with you. And Ten of Pentacles, they want this happy family with you. Very rare. Maybe your person is already married, having family. Very rare. But they want this happy family with you because they are very passionate about you. For some, if your person really having family, I think new person is entering in your life. Please don't give another chance if your person having third party. They are putting you in third party situation. Because you deserve best. Yeah, you also juggling. Aquarius. Yeah, they are returning with an apology. Your person is very immature, maybe non-committal in past. They hurt you in past but wanting you back again. Yeah, lot of spying. They're stalking on you. And Four of Swords, maybe right now they are not talking to you, no contact situation, but it could be you also. Someone is not talking, someone is going healing and meditation state. So stalking is going between both of you, lot of stalking, and your person want to come back and they are keeping tabs on you. Aquarius, they're very attracted to you because lot of attraction is here. So let's see your overall energy for the month. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Your overall energy for the month. Yeah, waiting. Maybe you are waiting for your person to come back. You turn your back from your person because there is no commitment. There is no equal give and take. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, you are in this energy, you will be, and you will manifest everything you want. Yeah, you stand by your power and you are very grounded. I love this card. And Page of Wands, communication. One person is younger than the other person in this connection and one person is very good looking and charming. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Your person overall energy for the month, Aquarius. King of Swords, communication, clarity. Four of Wands, they want this happiness and celebration with you. And Two of Cups, this love is mutual. You also have strong emotions for this person and they're ready to offer equal give and take. Yeah, they really want to offer. Page of Wands, again communication. Yeah, they're stalking on you because they want to communicate with you. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. They keep tabs on you, Aquarius. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. Take time to breathe out. So if you are busy in your work, maybe if you are feeling very sad for the separation, but it's time to breathe out. Time to breathe out. Take your time, take rest, do some fun. So this is the message from universe. Take time to breathe out. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.